a little house on a sunny street lived Tum the cat with furry feet, and Jerry the mouse, so small and quick, with tiny paws and a clever trick. Every morning at 9:30, Tum would say, "That mouse is mine." He'd stretch and yawn and start to creep, while Jerry pretended to be asleep. Through the kitchen, under the chair, over the table, everywhere, Tum would slip on a shiny pan, while Jerry giggled, "Catch me if you can." Zoom through the curtains, bounce off the wall. Jerry was speedy, tiny and small. Tum would tumble into a mop with a flip, a flop, and a funny plop. In the garden they would race, round and round in a silly chase, past the flowers red and blue, past the sparkling morning dew. Jerry would hide in a teacup tight. Tum would search from left to right. "Where'd he go? I saw him here." Jerry whispered, "I'm right here, my dear." One day Tum slipped in a pie, blueberry filling up to the sky. Jerry laughed till he fell on the floor, rolling and giggling more and more. But when a loud dog barked, "Woof, woof," Tum and Jerry ran poof, poof. Together they jumped on a high shelf tall, forgetting their quarrel and having a ball. They looked at each other, noses so near, and burst out laughing from ear to ear. Maybe chasing is just their game, and friendship is hiding behind the same.